Assalamu alaikum.
Maimuna reported, the Prophet prayed on a sheet of cloth put on by one of his wives who was menstruating. He was praying while a part of it was upon him. Aisha said, the Messenger of Allah would pray at night while I lay by his side during my menstrual period. A sheet of cloth would be partly on me and partly on him. Hammam b. Al-Harith reported, he has a sexual dream when he was staying with Aisha. The slave girl of Aisha saw him while he was washing the mark of defilement, or he was washing his clothes. She informed Aisha, who said, he witnessed me rubbing off the semen from the clothes of the Messenger of Allah. Abu Dawud said, Al-Amash narrated it as narrated by Al-Hakam. Aisha reported, I used to rub off the semen from the clothes of the Messenger of Allah. He would pray in it. Abu Dawud said, Mughira, Abu Mashar, and Wasil also narrated it to the same effect.